Alrighty, you guys, what is going on? I'm here today, back at it with the YouTube videos. You feel me? You dig? Today I'm gonna take you guys on a trip to wash my car. We're going down the street. Yeah, we're gonna clean this baby. She's very, very, very dirty right now. It's crazy. When I get there, I will be switching to my GoPro, just so it's easier for you guys to see me doing what I'm doing. But yeah, let's get this. Oh, while I'm in here, I guess I will tell you guys or ask you guys what you guys want to see from my channel. I got some things planned for 2020, not very much. I've had the urge to come back to YouTube. Start making YouTube videos. Blah, blah, blah. I've had the urge to come back to YouTube, make videos for you guys. Not that a lot of people watch it, but it's still fun for me to do. It gets me something to do. At the moment, we are going through the coronavirus stuff. So everybody's at home, nobody's really doing anything. So I was like, might as well just throw some YouTube videos together. Like, why not? Like, let's do this. Ooh, that was a big bump. Yikes. Oh, and there's nobody here. Thank the Lord Jesus. Get my usual spot right here. Gotta go through these poles. Pull up. Bam. And we're here. So right now, we will switch to the GoPro. Guys, it's probably gonna be very hard to hear me because that dude's over there doing all that. But here we go. I use that. Sir, get my rags out. I should put these into the car. I love the color of this. This color is amazing. Throw that in there. Alrighty. Throw some more money in here. Oh, that's enough. We'll switch this to rinse. wait. Put this on. came back home, all done with the wash. I say she came out pretty clean. Could have done a little bit better. There's still some watermarks on the windows and stuff. But all in all, she's looking so much better than how she was. It was raining for 3 days. And my car got destroyed. It was so bad. But now she's all cleaned up. She is looking so much better on the outside. I gotta get home and do the inside next. We're here. This little spot right here. Can't get it out. I don't know what it is. She's looking good though. She's looking mighty fine. Ooh, baby.